I made this video using Higgsfield AI. How cool is that? Hi everyone, this is Akanksha and welcome to Life with Akanksha. Every day there's a new AI tool in market. So I tested Higgsfield AI, which claims you can make cinematic shots and pretty good ad videos with them. No hype. I'll show exactly what all I generated. Some of it was amazing, like the video you just watched, and some of it distorted my pretty face. If you are a creator, you know the struggle. Editing takes forever. And since I have made a personal challenge to post as many videos as I can in a week so that I get uh, famous fast. No, that's not correct. I so that I can get good views on my YouTube channel. And it's very difficult to because editing, scripting, also shooting, getting ready, most difficult part. And most AI tools which I have come across ask for money and are fake. So I thought to test this one so that you guys don't have to. And I know I had to test it because it was looking very pretty. And I like cute things. Let's start with what is Higgsfield AI basically. This is a AI video platform where you get access to multiple models of AI in one dashboard. So instead of using multiple tools for making a video per se, आप वो सब एक ही AI tool के साथ कर सकते हो, which is this tool. So I thought it was pretty great. So test करना चाहिए so that it can help me in future to make pretty videos for you guys. Also disclaimer, जो भी मैं prompts इसमें यूज़ कर रही हूँ, I have asked ChatGPT for the prompts to put in this because मेरे में इतना दिमाग नहीं है कि because I don't have that much brain power left in my day that I test the platform as well and I think of the prompts by myself. So I outsourced it to ChatGPT. So I started with Nano Banana Pro, where you can write the prompt and you get a image as a result. Let me quickly show you the image which I created with the prompt. This is it. And now let me show you how I created it. Let me quickly share my screen with you guys. So I opened Nano Banana Pro in Higgsfield AI. After that I put my prompt and generate, and that's it. Okay, first thing first, the image is very real. The girl looks pretty real. It does not look like a AI generated kid, and it is a pretty cinematic shot. Matlab, I thought it would look a little funky since most AI में mess up हो जाते हैं features, but this was great, and since it's a still image, so it feels natural. And the pretty video which you guys saw on the starting of this video, that I made using Kling 2.6. That's a model's name. It's a AI model using 2.6. So let me just quickly shut my mouth and share my screen so that you guys can see it. I went to video and opened Kling 2.6 and then I went to animate and उसमें मैंने एक animation select किया. Then I selected 2 images and after that we have to put a little prompt in it and then generate. That's it, guys. I also try to make an intro for my YouTube channel using the cinematic shot / cinema studio of this Higgsfield AI. Okay, so let me show you the video first. what was the end result of that. So yeah, my face got distorted, but apart from that, it is pretty nice because I didn't have to do any editing. This I didn't like that much, but still pretty good, honestly, because I didn't have to edit it, and I love that I don't have to do editing, and it was done for me. So let's talk about what I like and what I don't like. What I like is that everything is under one roof, so that you can text to image, then you can create text to image, then you can create image to video, and you can add audio also here. In this app there's also that feature which I didn't try, but it's creator friendly also. What I did not like, you'll have to learn it. if you are a if you are a very new person to all this AI thing, you will need a little time to learn this. And if you are somebody who does not even know how to put prompts in chat gpt correctly, it will be a little difficult for you, because clear communication of the prompts is the major factor here. That those are very important. If we don't have clear prompts, then it is not making nice things. For beginners, I would suggest take prompts from ChatGPT and try to learn this AI tool. So, if you are a YouTuber, filmmaker, storyteller, someone who's experimenting with AI, trying to learn it, and this makes sense. However, if you are expecting a one click viral reel, like you'll just make something from this app and it will go viral, boom, then this is not for you. Because I don't think getting stuff viral is in hands of Higgsfield AI tool. However, it can help you create pretty cinematic shots. If you want to try Higgsfield AI yourself, I have left the link and my promo code in description. You can test it out, see if it fits your workflow. Let me know in the comments if you would use AI for cinematic videos, or if you still prefer the traditional method of editing. By the way, this video includes a paid promotion with Higgsfield. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to my channel, leave a comment, like this video, and also follow me on Instagram. I love you guys. Let's try earning digitally together.